In this video, I'll show you Moonlock, a smart security and privacy tool for Mac users. And yes, there's a lifetime license available. Let's get into it. Moonlock is a Mac security and system monitoring tool. It helps you monitor background activity, detect suspicious behavior, protect your privacy, stay in control of your Mac. Think of Moonlock as a security dashboard for your system, not just an antivirus. Let's look at the key features. Real-time system monitoring. Moonlock watches your Mac continuously and alerts you when something unusual happens. Background process visibility. You can see exactly what apps and services are running, even the hidden ones. Permission and privacy protection. Moonlock helps prevent unauthorized access to sensitive system areas. Lightweight performance. It runs quietly without slowing down your Mac. Everything is designed to be simple, clean, and transparent. Now let me show you how Moonlock works in real life. This is the Moonlock dashboard. Here you can see system activity in real time. If something looks suspicious, you get alerted immediately. You can review it, block it, or allow it, your choice. Setup is fast, no complicated configuration. Install it, open it, and you're protected. Most security tools charge monthly or yearly fees. Moonlock is different. Right now, you can get a lifetime license through Stack Social. You pay once, and you use it forever. No subscriptions, no renewals. If you're a Mac user who wants better privacy, more transparency, long-term value, Moonlock is absolutely worth checking out. It's not about fear, it's about awareness and control. To get the Moonlock lifetime license, click the link in the description below. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe for more honest software reviews. Thanks for watching.